How to give Robux to friends. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to walk you through the process of sharing Robux with your friends, so make sure that you stick around till the very end. And let's dive right into the video. To begin, kindly ask your friend to follow a few simple steps. Start by launching any preferred web browser on your computer and navigate to roblox.com. And once you've arrived at the website, sign into your specific account and you will be directed to the homepage. At the top of the screen, you will see the option of Create. Click on it and then choose Dashboard. You'll find your Experiences section opening up, and there you will see a default place available for your account. Simply click on it and then head over to the left-hand menu where you will find the Passes option. Click on Passes and you will be able to view all the passes available to you. To proceed, create a new pass and give it a name of your choice. For that, click on Create a Pass option and give a name over here. You can also add a description if you like. Then click on Create Pass again. After saving the pass, reopen it and navigate to the Sales tab. Here, enable the feature by toggling it on and specify the amount of the Robux you would like to give to your friend. Then click on Save Changes and return one step back. And once you locate the pass, click on the three dots and copy URL. Now simply open a new tab and paste it over here. Follow the prompt to purchase the pass, and congratulations, the Robux will be successfully sent to your friend. And that's a wrap on how you can generously share Robux with your buddies. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to show your support by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more content like this. See you in the next one.